Okay, welcome back, or welcome for the first time. We are still working on the S10 pickup truck. I still got to button up a couple things underneath. I wanted to check the slave cylinder, possibly bleed it, hopefully better than the previous guy, the previous owner. We bought somebody else's project, so we're going to continually find things here and there that we don't like or it's unfinished. That's just part of it. But pretty close. This truck is good. I think it's going to work out fine. But yeah, in this video, we're gonna push it along. Gonna keep rolling the ball, and be driving a cool little S10 here shortly. So, all right, stick around. Okay, here's where we're at. Got tires on, all good there. The clutch, it's acting like it's partially engaged all the time, so it's push it all the way to the floor. Actually helps to pump it a couple times. Kid said he replaced the slave cylinder, which there's a brand new slave cylinder rusting away. So we're gonna go ahead and re-bleed this. I'm hoping this helps the pedal. So I'm gonna put a pry bar on the end of this instead of letting it push on the clutch. This was advice to me from a friend of mine. I'm gonna put a pry bar behind here, hold it in place, and then hopefully it'll bleed better with and give it more pedal. All right, let's go. Yeah, let me get situated. Okay, go ahead and pump the pedal, I think.
Do I do it like brakes or?
Sure.
Pump 3 times, hold on 3?
Try.
Okay. Hold it.
Did it do anything?
Yeah, it went to the floor. Do you want me to let go?
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Push the clutch again. Okay. Did it go to the floor?
Yeah.
You should tell me when it goes to the floor.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's alright. Alright, do it again.
Okay. Floor.
Alright, pump it up again.
Hold it.
Okay, that's good. Let go.
Let go.
Yeah. Ooh, check that out. Backup lights work. Nice. Let's check out all these other lights here. Looks pretty legal. Oh. Alright. Got some more work to do. Jeez. But turn signal. Okay, at least it's got that. Flashers, flashers, flashers. Okay, that's pretty dang legal. I can live with that for now. Let's go for a test spin. Nighttime edition. Windshield wipers. It's gonna rain tomorrow. Let's go. Just got this guy in. Wasn't too bad. Man, lighting out here sucks. See, I made a couple marks here. Make sure. Yeah. Make sure they line up with the new motor in place. Ignition on. There she goes. 2 speeds. That's all you get in this S10. All right. Parked back in the spot it likes. All right. I gotta put all this stuff back together. Shit. There's a speed limit back here, but nobody seems to know that. Okay. All right. Test drive today. I drove it to work. Driving pretty good. Runs okay. She probably needs plugs, wires, all the typical stuff. Just working out the little bugs. Either needs the slave cylinder rebled, or synchros are going on transmission, which is drivable. It's not super great, but it'll get us through our broken car spell. And but it's a cool little truck. All right. All right, sweet. This is almost all back together. I want to show you something here. This is a little hack. I never knew this. I learned this from a YouTube channel called Wrong Way Garage. I'll probably post a link or something to this video. But yeah, just throw an Allen key in that bottom hole there. Made it way easier to pop these off. Usually I'm struggling with the spring and resistance. Alright, see if I can do this on camera. That was a bad idea. Finger pull. Alright. Put the alien out, and there we go. We're back in business. All right, this thing is on again. So the wipers work, and so we got okayish tires, got brake lights, turn signals, most of them. Shifts a little bit better. The wipers, that was the easy one. Doors lock, so that's cool. The driver's side door still needs to be replaced. I bought another door. Just haven't had time to put it on yet, but this one seems to slam and shut okay. So for now, that's good. Leela loaned me a beach towel to cover the hole in the seat. I need to get a good thick floor mat for the hole in the floor for now. I'll patch that later. So overall, liking the truck. Drove it to work today, and yeah, it seems like a decent-ish truck. Like it might be reliable, so, but like any old daily driver, the alternator's whining. So I already priced a couple. I'm probably gonna go ahead and order one from Rock Auto. I want to look at one of the wheel bearings in the front. Possibly go ahead and change the brakes and rotors. Probably needs rear brakes because the parking brake does virtually nothing. So so the typical daily driver stuff. But I think it's gonna be a good truck. It's kind of cute. I like it. Leela's sort of warming up to it. It's not gonna replace the Toyota, obviously, but it'll get her to work it back. And it's a good. This vehicle will hold us over till we get one of the other projects running, because this puts us up to 2 running vehicles. So yes, there's 2 of us. We need 2 cars, two separate jobs. So all right, even if you don't like this video, like it anyways. Subscribe. I promise one day I'm gonna make a good video. It's coming. There's a good one coming. So anyways, thanks for watching this far, if you made it this far. All right, later.